Mitrulara, Bandhulara, welcome to South Asia Maps, your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. Reddy. We are continuing our Haryana region, that is the historic East Punjab region, that is across the Red Cliff Line, east side of Red Cliff Line. This is the 48. Mitrana, previously we looked at around about 12 geographic regions or physiographic regions of Haryana province, and we are taking about the second part, that is the Chandigarh Cholands. This is essentially below the mountains, sub-mountain, that is called, also called Piedmont region, Piedmont or Piedmont region. We are talking about Chandigarh Cholands today. And Mitronam, and this is our Haryana series, and previously I covered all of them. Today we are talking about 48 Chandigarh Cholands and the Piedmont regions. And there are other series in the various provinces of Bharat, that is Rayalaseema city districts of Andhra Pradesh. This is Tamil Nadu series. Again, this is the British Punjab series. That is Kerala series, Maharashtra series, Himachal series, West Bengal Presidency series. You can look all of them at my education channel. You can see around about 510 or so immaculately made presentations have posted for you for your intellectual sojourn, enjoyment and learning. All you can find them at South Asia Maps J. Reddy, 2024 April. You have 517 presentations covering a broad range of fields of your interest. So that is about Chandigarh Cholands today. The Cholands, what are the Cholands and Chandigarh Cholands? And why should we look at them? Because if you look at any province or any geographic region or habitat or a terrain, geopolitical entity like this, you won't get much of that. Whereas if you look at the physical geography and physiography, you get a fascinating idea of the land here. Bharat Mata, South Asia, you can see the Ganga Maidan, Sindhu Maidan here, Kirtar mountain ranges, Potwar Plateau, that is the historic Rawalpindi and Attock district regions. You can see the fascinating Peshawar Basin, and you can see the Aravalis and so on, the Dehradun regions. This is the answer here. So you get a lot of understanding when you look at the physiographic region. So we are talking about the Chandigarh Cholands today. Before that, you should have a broader understanding of the Himalayan mountains, Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas, Outer Himalayas. Middle are sometimes people get confused. I made it very little. Middle means also, L means lower, I means inner. So Middle Himalayas, Lower Himalayas, Inner Himalayas are ones and the same. Outer Himalayas are Shivaliks. We try to use this term so there is no confusion. Between 300 meters to 1500 meters, up to 4500 meters, 6500 meters. Beyond that, the Trans Himalayas. This is the Piedmont region, south of Himalayas, sorry, Shivaliks regions. Piedmont is not really mountains like Shivaliks, but sub-mountain Piedmont. That is what. Further south is Ambala Plains or Saraswati Plains. The Piemonts are foothills of a mountain range. Here the mountain range being Shivaliks. Here I have given little more detail about those. I will expand this little bit. It is the eastward extension of Hoshiarpur Cholands of East Punjabi. This is the part 2 is Chandigarh Cholands. Further somewhere here will be Hoshiarpur district, Hoshiarpur, Dasuya and all those areas of East Punjab. That is the Hoshiarpur Cholands. And these are the south. Shivaliks is number 1. South of Shivaliks hills, Morni hills, the south of the Panchkula district. What are the chos? There are rivers or rivulets, seasonal rivers, rivulet to streams. They flow with very high velocity whenever there is a very high rainfall. This region receives very high rainfall, remember. Much of the Haryana doesn't receive that much rainfall this region, but this region, because when the southwest monsoons hit here, they are uh, intercepted by the Himalayan mountains, so it rains. So these torrential rains, these are south of Shivaliks, south of Morni Hill Tract, south of Kalesari Hills. These are the taluks that cover Kalka, Chandigarh, Panchkula, Narayangarh, Bilaspur, Chachravali. You can see here, I will show you other map. You can see Chandigarh here, Kalka, Panchkula Taluk, Narayangarh, Bilaspur, Chachravali. Certain parts of it, certain parts will be Sivaliks here. Here in this region, very historic, Lohgarh Sahib Fort is present in Lohgarh. In 1709, that is 2 years after the death of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in Deccan, near Nagar Ahmad Nagar on the Balghat Plateau, the Guruji, Guru Gobind Rai's disciple Lachman Das, also called Banda Singh, he went there and fought a very big battle, Battle of Chappar Chiri near Sadhwara. Later, he formed a small kingdom ruled there near on the Markanda River, that is in this region, Piedmont region. That's what I put it. Banda Singh Bahadur was later caught and executed around about 1707. Lakshman Das was his name. He was at Nanded Sahib in south in Deccan, where Guruji Gobind Rai was residing in Godavari River, Nanded in the Marathwada region. The Yamuna Nagar district, Buriya Ghat and Chachravali Fort, Sadhwara Fort. This is the headquarters or capital of Banda Bairagi's kingdom at that time, Sadhwara Fort. So you can see that, and I also showed how this the hilly regions, Himalayas, they mark. You can see here, fascinating. You can see this is the Shivaliks, south of Shivaliks is a Piedmont region, sub-mountain region where torrential rivulets, seasonal small rivers flow, that is called CHOALAND, because Chandigarh is a prominent urban center. This is called Chandigarh CHOALANDs. Upstream you can see here the Hoshiarpur CHOALANDs. This is the Ludhiana district, Hoshiarpur Jalandhar district will be here. That is the part. Further south, you see the Ambala plains or Saraswati plains, which we will look at later. Here you won't see that much. These are the Sivaliks, high resolution. Small rivers also will flow here. These are the bigger rivers, Somb and Markanda and Tangri and Gaggar and Yamuna. We are looking at the Sivaliks, the Karo peak, that is around about 1450 meters. How does that compare? Delhi, an average you can say 222 meters, 222. I roughed it up so that you can remember easily. Some areas is 250. Delhi ridge will be little higher. So without getting into complications, Delhi is 222 meters, 10 times that, 2222. That means 2.2 kilometers above mean sea level will be Simla, the capital of Himachali Punjab or Himachal Pradesh. And Hyderabad will be around about 550 meters or so. Pune will be almost the same, whereas the Tirumala Tirupati hill chain of Sri Venkateshwara Balaji will be 950 meters. Bangalore will be almost the same, close to 1000 meters or 1 kilometer. So you have a broader idea. So this is the Cholans. You can see a lot of seasonal currents flowing here. You can see the rivers and like that. This is the Cholan, Chandigarh Cholans. So they will be sub-mountain region or Piedmont regions. You can see little better here. Again, you have to remember the landmarks. This is the Dehradun. Remember, this is the Yamuna Nadi, and this is the Ganga Mata Nadi. Ganga Mata, that means Hardwar will be here. Payunta Sahib, sacred place, will be here. That is the Shivaliks. Again, there is a Shivaliks in the Uttaranchal also. There are Shivaliks in the UP also, Bihar, and all those areas. So the reason is the Dun. Dun means a small valley. Essentially, Dehra was the town, so it's also called Dehradun. So here, that means this is the Sharanpur and the Yamuna Nagar railway. This is the railway lines, red ones. Then this is the historic Ambala. Then you have Kanna and Sarhind go to Ludhiana and the Jaland. That is the Sutlej River. Harikepatan here where the Bias River joins. Then this is the Jalandhar city. So this is the Chandigarh, Hoshiarpur district. This is the Hoshiarpur Cholands. So that is the Hoshiarpur Cholands. Chandigarh, these are the Chandigarh Cholands. So you can see all these small torrential chores are rivulets, rivers with high speed velocity. They flow during the monsoon regions. You may not see that high resolution here. I will show again Shivaliks in Uttarakhand region and Chandigarh, Choland. Here Shivaliks here again, and the Pimont region, sub-montana region, Choland, Chandigarh, Choland. And you can see further north is the Hoshiarpur. You can see the Hoshiarpur district. These are the Hoshiarpur Cholands, merged into Chandigarh Cholands. And what are the important towns? You can see again, it's not easy to differentiate exactly, but you can say Chandigarh uh, area and this is Derabasi, there is an area here. The Karar, Mohali will be somewhere here, Derabasi Taluk. And then this area you can say essentially Kalka region, South Panchkula district Taluk here, Narayangarh Taluk here, Bilaspur Taluk here, Chachroli Taluk here. All this region is the Pimont region, that is the sub-mountain region, that is the Chandigarh Cholan region. Northern part of the same will be Sivalik region. Southern part is the Ambala plains or Saraswati plains, sometimes they're called. So I have covered extensively other this eastern side of this the Radcliffe line. You should because Radcliffe line is important. East Punjab, West Punjab, Purbi Punjab, and Pashchim Punjab. Purbi Punjab is Mashriki Punjab. Pashchim Punjab is Maghrebi Punjab. East Punjab after 1966 has three provinces or states, that is Punjabi speaking Punjab and Haryana is speaking Punjab. Himachali Pahad is speaking Punjab east of the Radcliffe line, partition line, that is the Darul Harb and Kafis Jahilia. Momin, Kwamis, and Elam territory. That is the partition line or Ravi line or Sutlej line. We talked at somewhere else in detail. And you should also look at the Himachal Pradesh series so that you will have, you cannot understand Haryana without understanding Himachal Pradesh and West Punjab and a lot of other series. I have covered them extensively. There are around about 20 years. So you can look at them and you can look at the playlist to Himachal Pradesh and so that is what I wanted to talk to you, Mitronam, today about the fascinating Chandigarh Choland sub-mountain regions, Pimont regions of northern part of Haryana Suba, Haryana province, Haryana state of Bharat Mata, Bharat east of Radcliffe line, the Ravi line, Sutlej line, post-partition independence. Thank you very much. See you later in other presentation. If you like the presentations, you can subscribe the channel. Also bring it to the notice of your Mitron. And also you can post your comments and suggestions. Thank you very much. Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps, your education channel, Intellectual Chatri.